Welcome to our video tutorial on how to hang bedroom curtains like a pro. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of measuring, selecting, and installing curtains to achieve a stylish and professional look for your bedroom windows. So, let's get started. To begin, start by measuring your windows to determine the correct curtain size. Use a measuring tape to measure the width and height of each window, accounting for any additional length needed for curtain fullness and desired drop. Write down these measurements, ensuring accuracy for the best results. Once you have your window measurements, it's time to choose the perfect curtains for your bedroom. Consider the style, color, and fabric that will complement your existing decor. Whether you prefer long, flowing drapes or sleek, tailored panels, make sure to select curtains that match your desired aesthetic and serve your functional needs. Now that you have your curtains, it's essential to decide where to place the curtain rods. Optimal rod placement is typically several inches above the window frame and extends a few inches beyond the width of the window. This positioning allows the curtains to hang gracefully and create the illusion of taller and wider windows. With the curtain rod placement determined, it's time to install them securely. Use a level to ensure the rods are straight and mark the screw holes accordingly. Then, using a drill or screwdriver, attach the curtain rod brackets firmly to the wall. Once the brackets are in place, slide the curtain rings or hooks onto the rod. Finally, it's time to hang your curtains. Start by sliding the curtain panels onto the rings or hooks, making sure they glide smoothly. Adjust the curtain's length and position to achieve the desired look, ensuring they are even on both sides. Step back and assess the overall appearance, making any necessary adjustments for a flawless finish. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to hang bedroom curtains like a pro. By following this step-by-step guide, you can transform your bedroom windows into stunning focal points.